Only an hour from Brisbane is the Moreton Bay hinterland, and there's a variety of properties along the escarpment, and each of them are individual. And this one is truly unique. Its privacy, its aspect, and its sensational view. From the northern side of Brisbane, Redcliffe, and across the bay to Moreton Island. Just over 4 acres, we've got this character, architectural, contemporary home designed to take in the view from every aspect. There's a lot of improvements, current improvements that the owners have put into the home, and really it's like brand new. Whether you're looking to entertain, lifestyle, or a business professional just looking to get away, this is a perfect place. Set in beautiful landscape gardens and only 7 minutes from Dayboro, it really is an easy lifestyle choice. With the infrastructure in place, the shed, fencing, the dam, it's ideal for horses or any livestock. While you plan your visit, I'm going to kick back and enjoy what it's all about up here.